Let's have a very quick look on how ACCA Complete Notes the work. We offer ACCA Complete Notes for different ACCA subjects. For each subject, there are approximately 150 to 200 pages of course notes, and I assume that these are sufficient for your exam preparation purposes. And in fact, these course notes, like this 200 pages course note, will help you. It will decrease your dependency on reading those lengthy study texts like 700 pages, which take a lot of time. These course notes are available in 2 or 3 formats. You can download them as a PDF file, PDF ebook. You can print it. You can watch it. You can see it online as very nicely created ebooks, or you can also, use them as online PDFs. So let me share with you how it works. So when you purchase this complete notes, you will see this blue color course, which says ACCA Complete Notes Exam Success Pack. So you would see this course after purchasing any of the course notes. You click it. Now, because I have access to F2, F3, F5, F7, 9, SBR, DEPA, but you would only get access to those course notes which you have purchased. Let's suppose that you purchased ACCA F5. Let's suppose for a moment that if you got F5, so it has sample notes, it has complete notes. Of course, you will go with complete notes because you already have purchased them. So when you click this thing, you open complete notes. So the first option which you will see is this thing, the download option. You can download them as one PDF book for 150, 60 or 70 pages, or you can alternatively view it as online ebook. And the third option is that you can also view it as a PDF here. So you can see this PDF file here. You can read it from online here. If you click it, okay, I'll show it a little later. So let me first show you this ebook. How does this ebook works? So if I see this ebook, you can actually make it, full screen size. When you make it full screen, for example, if I come back from here, so you can just turn the pages with your mouse, or you can, just make it with arrow keys. You can zoom in, zoom out, and it is high, HD quality, zoom in, zoom out. Then you have option that you actually can put here this thing so that you can come down to any particular topic which you want. You can scroll down and go to any topic which you want. Then there is another option here, which you will see is about the search option. So when I take this arrow on the top right, it says the search. Let's suppose that I write a word relevant. So I know that in F5, you've got relevant costing. So if I use the word relevant, it will search the document and it will show me that on which pages the word relevant it was used. So it actually collects data. So it takes a little bit of time because it is searching the entire document. So it was used on page number 6, on page number 38. I can quickly jump to page number 38. So it is used somewhere here, or maybe page number 62. So that search option is very good. So this ebook, you can use it online. It's very, user-friendly. And you can actually, like I said, that, you have this left menu for searching here. So this is for F5, for example. Now, if I just minimize this thing, and I'll share with you the PDF, how does the PDF thing works? So if you have downloaded this, so this PDF version file, which I was showing you above, it was as a download option. It has also been put here. So you can zoom in, zoom out, and you can use it from here as well. And it has this very interesting feature that you can just click it, any of this thing, and go straight to the topic. So there are hyperlinks which are available. For example, if we say you want to go to a topic which is called, linear programming or relevant costing or CVP analysis. So you click CVP analysis, it takes you directly to CVP analysis. And by the way, if you download the file, the same functions, they will work again. So you read this text here, you want to go back, you click it, you come back again to the table of content, you pick up the topic you want to read. You want to read about, I don't know, maybe you want to read about transfer pricing. So it will straight take you to the transfer pricing. You read the transfer pricing topic and you can come back again. And if you download this file, it will look like this thing. So of course, if you are using it as a PDF version, so you can download it and use it as PDF as well. Let me show the PDF thing like this. So now you are seeing it as my PDF file. Again, the same functionality, going there. So scrolling makes easy, it saves a lot of time. Otherwise, sometimes it becomes difficult to go to the topic and look and find out, So whatever, ease of use we could have added, we have added it. So course notes are available. Like I said that, for example, for this F5, because at F5 usually has, how to say, it's a short syllabus. So it's 146 pages. SBR is approximately 210 pages. F7 again is around 200 pages. F9 is also around 200 pages. And we actually, these are not short summaries. Like you also as Vertex student, when you purchase a course, you get tutor slides free of cost. Those tutor slides are very short because they only include bullet points. But here you get complete details. So whatever is necessary for preparing for your exam preparation, it is here. So so you can, how to say, it will help you to avoid reading that lengthy study text for 600 pages. So have a look on these course notes which you may need, and you can buy them separately. Most of these course notes are available for $9 or $10 if I'm not mistaken. And just have a look and download and get access to them. Watch them online or download it and print it, or maybe print it for your use. Thank you.